In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text in KoboToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up your form builder, and then in here, I've just put in 2 questions. Now, you can do this with any question you want. I just put 2 of the text ones over here just to show you the difference. Now, by default, of course, it's going to look like this. You have your questions, you can name them, and then the hints as well, but you can make all of these bold if you want to. So to do this, you simply have to put the words you want to make bold inside double stars. So like this, for example, if I want the entire question to be bold, I want to put 2 stars at the beginning and 2 at the end. And if I go to preview, you'll see that there's not really much of a difference. However, it's like a slight bold, okay? So it's not like much of a difference. Again, if you really zoom in, it's gonna appear that, yeah, there we go, this one is a bit more bold. However, there's not much of a difference. Where it does make a difference is when it comes to these hints. So if I type in, for example, sample over here, and then sample in here, and I'm gonna put the double stars over here and not up here. If I go to preview, you'll see that it's basically going to bold that text. As you can see, there we go, this one is bold, this one isn't. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.